It's very clear that something needs to be done about climate change. And the purpose of Edorado is to show that the future doesn't have to be negative. It can be beautiful and attractive and zero emission at the same time. Now, today we launched the Edorado 8S here at the Cannes Yachting Festival. The response has been really positive. People really like the aesthetics of the boat. They love that it's an electric boat, that it's a hydrofoil boat. People are really impressed by the quality of the build and the quality of the interior. And a lot of thought has gone into all the practical details. The Edorado 8S is really for three things. It's for flying, which is amazing. It's for swimming, so it has an automatic anchor and a very nice swim platform, and for having a drink. So there's a champagne bar with cool bottles and really nice glasses. Today really confirmed my conviction that we are on the right path with the technology of hydrofoils and electric.